Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Bhakti Khiste. Welcome you all in the wonderful world of the homeopathic pharmacy. Today I am going to explain you about method of preparation of homeopathic drugs according to the old method. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann has given instructions for preparation of homeopathic medicines from vegetable, animal and mineral drug substances. In old method, he mentioned in aphorism number 264 to aphorism number 271 of Organon of Medicine. There are three ways to prepare medicines. First one by preparing mother tincture, second by preparing mother solution, and third one by preparing mother substances. Processes involved in formation of drug in all three methods. For mother tincture preparation, we use the process of extraction. For mother solution preparation, we use the process of dissolving or solution. For mother substance preparation, we use the process of trituration. There are some words with their meaning. These words are frequently used in this chapter, so I thought you must know about its perfect meaning or its exact meaning. The solution means solute plus solvent or dissolved substance plus its medium. So for example, while you are preparing the solution of sugar, you take a required quantity of sugar and required quantity of water. So sugar we call sugar as a solute or a dissolved substance, and we call water as a solvent or medium. Okay, so this is about the solution. Next one is immersion. Immersion means submerging of anything into the any kind of medium, means you are submerging some flowers in the water. Okay, it is called as immersion. Next one is maceration. It is process of breaking down and make soft to any substance. Okay, you are breaking any substance and make it soften. It is called as maceration. Percolation, a process of liquid slowly passing through a filter. Then about the precursor, thing that come before another. Now see, radio came first, then the television is invented. Okay, so the radio is the precursor of television. Okay, because radio invented first and then television invented after that. So precursor means come before. Okay, so mother tincture are precursor of any potency. You have to use mother tincture to prepare all the potency. So mother tincture is precursor of any potency. Now preparation of mother tincture, it is included in class 1 to class 4. Class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. All the 4 classes include the process of preparation of mother tincture. About the definition of mother tincture, it is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from drug substances of vegetable and animal kingdom using strong alcohol as a vehicle by the process of immersion, maceration and percolation. Mother tincture is denoted as theta. It is precursor of corresponding potency of the drug. Drug power of mother tincture. By drug power of a tincture is meant the strength of a drug. It means amount of drug in proportion to its solvent. For example, if the drug power is 2:3, so the 2 is the value of mother substance, means the drug substance, and 3 is the value of medium. So if you know the drug power, you came to know about how much quantity of medicine is included in this mother tincture and how much quantity medium is added in that. Okay, then the utility of drug power of a mother tincture. Drug power is essential for potentization from mother tincture to prepare first potency. According to drug power, amount of vehicle and tincture is determined, as I told in example. Are mother tinctures homeopathic medicines? So many homeopaths who use mother tincture in their day-to-day practice, they says that mother tincture can cure any kind of acute and chronic disease according to the homeopathic principle, that is gently, harmlessly, permanently. But Dr. Samuel Hahnemann claimed that only potentized drug can help to cure permanently. So, according to Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, it is not a good method, not a good way to treat the patient. Next, about the solvent used in the preparation of mother tincture solution. We use mainly strong alcohol, purified water, and glycerin as a solvent. First, about the strong alcohol. Strong alcohol is a great solvent. Strong alcohol can extract the medicinal power from any crude drug substance. That's why we use strong alcohol to prepare mother tincture in maximum way. Maximum quantity we use the strong alcohol. It can able to it can prevent the decomposite change in the mother tincture. Next one, it can help to maintain the quality, the maintain the standard of homeopathic mother tincture for a long time. It remain the qualities of mother tincture intact for too long period. That's why we use the strong alcohol. Next is the purified water. Purified water we used in case of some acids which are specially included in class 5. These acids unable to dissolve in the strong alcohol. That's why we use the purified water to prepare its mother tincture. To prepare its succeeding potency, we use the dispensing alcohol. But for preparation of the preparation of mother tincture, we use the purified water. And the succeeding potency, to prepare succeeding potency, we use the dispensing alcohol. Third one is glycerin. Glycerin are specifically used to prepare mother tincture from venoms or poisonous substances. Okay, that's why the poison like Crotalus horridus, lachesis, to prepare the mother tincture from these venoms or poisons, we use the glycerin. This is about the solvents. Then difference between allopathic and homeopathic mother tincture. These are made from allopathic mother tincture. These are made from dried plant, often with introduction of foreign substances. Whether in homeopathic mother tincture, these are made from fresh plants in maximum time. When not available, then only we use the dry one. We never add any foreign substances in homeopathic mother tincture. In allopathic mother tincture, for example, the tincture of sanguinaria contains acetic acid. But in homeopathic mother tincture, we prepare the sanguinaria mother tincture from its rhizomes. We never add anything else in that. Then in allopathic mother tincture, they can standardize on the basis of alkaloid and glucoside, etc. But in mother tincture, homeopathic mother tincture, we cannot standardize on the basis of alkaloid. Then the allopathic mother tincture, generally they are reddish or brown in color. In homeopathic mother tincture, generally they are green in color as we use the fresh plants. Sometimes they are available in red and brown color, whether we use the dried substance to prepare the mother tincture. Now student, this is one important chart for you. Since so many students feel very confusing to understand, to remember the drug power of each class, the principle of each class, they confused very easily. So follow this table, it can help you to remember about each and every class particularly. Okay, then about the class 1. See, I am telling you about class 1 only right now. Most of the European plants are included in this class. The plants in this class contain large quantity of juice. The principle is 1:1. The tincture prepared with equal part by weight of drug juice and alcohol. The fundamental rule for this class has been described in Hahnemann's Materia Medica Pura under the drug belladonna. Then about the preparation of mother tincture, we require a selected drug substance and a strong alcohol. Then about the utensil, we require wooden chopping board, porcelain mortar pestle, horn-made spatula, linen cloth, clean small beaker, glass stopper file, glass funnel with stand, filter paper, another clean file, and the material which we require to make a proper label. Then about the procedure. Now for the class 1, the procedure: take the medicinal plant which is required, cut it in a small pieces by using well polished knife on a clean chopping board. Then pound it into pulp with the help of mortar and pestle. Then enclose this pulp in a clean linen cloth and express the juice with the help of the strain, with the help of the presses. Okay, then weight this juice. The juice is weighed, and equal quantity of the juice, the strong alcohol, is added to it. Okay, then shake this. Shake this vigorously. Add it to another clean glass file and allow it to stand for 8 days in a cool, dark place. After 8 days, shift it to the another clean glass file, filter it well. Then the mother tincture of class first is prepared. It is very easy. जो मेडिसिनल सब्सटेंस है वो आपको लेना है, उसको अच्छे से कट करना है, उसका पल्प बनाना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मॉर्टर एंड पिस्टल. जो पल्प आपने बनाया है वो लिनन क्लॉथ में लेकर उसको अच्छे से निचोड़ना है, उसका जूस निकालना है. जो जूस निकाला है आप लोगों ने, उसको वेट करना है. उसका जितना वेट है उतने ही क्वांटिटी में आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल लेना है, उसमें ऐड करना है. ठीक है, उसको विगरसली शेक करके 8 दिन तक वैसा ही रहने देना है. 8 दिन के बाद उसे दूसरे जो क्लीन ग्लास फाइल है उसमें शिफ्ट कर दो और ये मदर टिंक्चर प्रिपेयर हो जाता है. इट इज़ वेरी इजी. Then about the drug power. The drug power of class first is 1/2. So for the potentization in a centesimal scale, we use 2 minims of mother tincture of drug and 98 minim of dilute alcohol are mixed. Then 10 downward stroke of equal strength are given. It gives the first C potency. To prepare 2C potency, 1 minim of first potency and 99 minim of dispensing alcohol should be taken. The 10 downward stroke of equal strength will give the second potency. All succeeding potency are prepared by taking 1 minim of preceding potency and 99 minim of dispensing alcohol. Remember students, while preparing 1C potency, we are taking dilute alcohol, and to prepare 2C potency and further potencies, we are taking the dispensing alcohol. Then to prepare decimal scale, we take 2 minim of mother tincture of the drug and 8 minim of dilute alcohol. Mix it thoroughly, then 10 downward stroke of equal strength are given. It gives us 1x potency. To prepare 2x potency, take 1 minim of 1x potency and 9 minim of dilute alcohol, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength will give us the 2x potency. For all succeeding potency, we can take 1 minim of preceding potency and 9 minim of dilute alcohol to prepare the decimal scale. Okay. Then about the examples, there are so many examples are given in the book, but you have to know at least about 5 to 6 example in a perfect manner. Then next about the class 2. This class includes those plants which contain only small quantity of juice. The fundamental rule for this class has been described in Hahnemann's Materia Materia medica pura under the drug thuja. Then about the principle, the tincture is prepared by adding 2 part of strong alcohol by weight to the 3 part of the juice of plant. The requirement, ingredient, selected drug substance in specific quantity, strong alcohol, and utensil and apparatus are as given in the class 1. Then about the procedure. The procedure to prepare the mother tincture from second class. Take the required mother substance, cut it into pieces with the help of well polished knife on a clean chopping board. Then pounded it to a pulp with the help of the mortar and pestle. Then when they make a weight of that pulp, okay. Then for every 3 part of drug, 2 part of weight of alcohol is taken. Then add this pulp into the container, okay. Small quantity of alcohol is added first just to moisten that pulp, okay. Shake it vigorously, okay. Then after, the remaining quantity of alcohol is added in that. Then this solution should be stand still for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, take all this solution in the linen cloth and express the juice with the help of the presses. Then you got a mother tincture. Then keep it stand still for the 8 days. After 8 days, shift this liquid into another clean glass vial, filter it well, and this is the preparation of the mother tincture from the by class 2. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इजी प्रोसेस. जो भी रिक्वायर्ड ड्रग सब्सटेंस है आपको उसको लेना है, उसको कट करना है. कट करने के बाद उसका पल्प बनाना है, पल्प को वेट करना है, और 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट पल्प यू हैव टू टेक द 2 पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल. ठीक है, अभी आपने जितना रिक्वायर क्वांटिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल का है वो ले लिया है प्रॉपर मेजर करके. अब इस पल्प को एक ग्लास जार में शिफ्ट करना है. पहले थोड़ा सा ही अल्कोहल उसमें डालना है जिससे खाली वो जो पल्प है वो अच्छे से मॉइस्ट हो जाए. उसको अच्छे से स्टीर करना है. बाद में जो रिमेनिंग क्वांटिटी ऑफ अल्कोहल है उसके अंदर ऐड करना है. इसको आपको ऐसे ही रखना है 2 से 3 दिन तक. उसके बाद ये जो पूरा पल्प है, जो पूरा वो सॉल्यूशन बना हुआ है, वो आपको लिनन क्लॉथ में लेकर उसको अच्छे से उसमें से जूस एक्सप्रेस करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्रेसेस. स्ट्रेन द जूस. दिस जूस, ये जो जूस निकलेगा उसको दूसरे एक बॉटल में लेकर आपको 8 दिन तक वैसे ही कूल डार्क प्लेस पर उसको रखना है. फिर उसके बाद इस मदर टिंचर को जो है, उस फ्लूइड को जो है आपको फिर से एक बार फिल्टर करके एक न्यू स्टॉपर बॉटल में आपको रखना है और ये मदर टिंचर प्रिपेयर हो जाता है. देन अबाउट द ड्रग पावर. द ड्रग पावर ऑफ क्लास 2 is 1/2. So the process of potentization in centesimal scale and decimal scale is same as class 1. Okay, now directly we are starting the class 3. This class includes those plants which are least juicy. Mostly American plants and some of European plants are included in this class. Then materia medica pura, no drug is mentioned for this class. Then about the requirements, about the principle. The tincture is prepared by adding 2 part by weight of alcohol and 1 part of the plant or part which you want to use. Then about the requirement, the selected drug substance and strong alcohol is required. The utensil and apparatus just like class 1 and 2. Then about the procedure. Procedure for class 3. Take the required mother substance, cut it into pieces with the help of well polished knife and clean chopping board. Then pound it into a pulp with the help of mortar and pestle. Then make weight of this pulp, and the double quantity of strong alcohol is added to it. Okay, then firstly means there is specific process to add the strong alcohol. First, measure the quantity of alcohol which is required according to the weight of the pulp. Then take a pulp in a clean glass jar. Then add only 1/6 quantity of alcohol in that and stir it well to moisten that pulp or that powder. Then remaining alcohol is added in that jar. Okay, keep the jar as it is for the 8 days. After 8 days, that quantity, alcohol and that pulp, it is strained by the linen cloth with the help of the linen cloth and presses. Filter it well and add it into the another clean jar, clean glass file, and the mother tincture is prepared. It is very easy. इसमें जो है जो मेडिसिन हम लेते हैं क्रूड ड्रग सब्सटेंस, उसमें पानी का क्वांटिटी बहुत कम होता है, जूस बहुत कम होता है. ओके, सो आपको जो भी रिक्वायर्ड मदर ड्रग सब्सटेंस है उसको लेना है, उसको पीसेस में कट करना है, बाद में उसका पल्प बनाना है बाय यूजिंग मॉर्टल एंड पिस्टल. देन उसका प्रॉपर वेट करना है पल्प का, उसके वेट के डबल क्वांटिटी आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल लेना है. अभी आपने जो है अल्कोहल ले लिया और रिक्वायर क्वांटिटी में पल्प आपके पास है, दोनों का आपने करेक्ट मेजर ले लिया है. एक ग्लास जार में आपको पल्प लेना है. जो पाउडर है या पल्प है उसमें ओनली 1/6 क्वांटिटी ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल आपको डालना है, उसको खाली मॉइस्ट करने के लिए. ओके, देन आफ्टर सम टाइम यू स्टीर इट वेल एंड देन रिमेनिंग अल्कोहल, आपको जो रिमेनिंग अल्कोहल है वो उसके अंदर ऐड करना है. ठीक है, इसको बाद में आपको 8 डेज तक वैसे ही रखना है उस ग्लास जार में. 8 दिनों के बाद आपको जो है उसमें जो भी फ्लूइड है उसको अच्छे से डिकेंट करना है, फिल्टर करना है, लिनन क्लॉथ से उसको स्ट्रेन करना है और न्यू बॉटल में जो है न्यू ग्लास जार में उसको ऐड करना है. और ये जो है आपका मदर टिंचर जो है प्रिपेयर हो जाता है इन क्लास 3, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लास 3. देन अबाउट द ड्रग पावर. द ड्रग पावर ऑफ क्लास 3 is 1/6. To prepare centesimal scale, 6 minim of mother tincture and 94 minim of dilute alcohol should be taken, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength gives us the 1C potency. Then to prepare 2C potency, 1 minim of first potency and 99 minim of alcohol should be taken, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength will gives the 2C potency. The all succeeding potency are prepared with 1 minim of the preceding potency and 99 minim of dispensing alcohol. While preparing decimal scale, 6 minim of mother tincture and 4 minim of dilute alcohol should be taken, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength gives the first 1x potency. To prepare 2x potency, 1 minim of 1x potency and 9 minims of dilute alcohol should be taken, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength will give you 2x potency. All succeeding potency are prepared with 1 minim of preceding potency to 99 minim of dilute alcohol. About the examples, there are so many examples are included in class 3, but you know about 4 to 5 at least. Then about class 4. This class include dry plants, herbs, animal substances which is dry or fresh. The fundamental rule for this class has been described in Hahnemann's Materia Medica Purica under the drugs Staphysagrina and Spigelia. Principle: the tincture is prepared by adding 5 part by weight of strong alcohol to 1 part by weight of pulp or powder. Are you getting me? 5 part of strong alcohol and 1 part of pulp or powder. Then ingredients: require quantity of drug substance, strong alcohol, and appliances just like class 1, 2 and 3. Then about the procedure. Then about the class 4. How to prepare the mother tincture in class 4? See, in the class 4, the dried substance we use sometimes we use the fresh substance. If you are taking the dry substance, pulverized it in a fine powder. If you are taking a fresh substance, then transfer it into a pulp. Okay, so take the required drug substance, pulverized it into a fine powder if it is dry, make pulp if it is in fresh way, then weight in, okay, and the quantity of that pulp or powder, the 5 times more than that strong alcohol should be taken. Okay, take that pulp or dry powder in a glass jar, add the strong alcohol, 5 times more strong alcohol is added in that. Keep this solution, keep this tincture in that glass jar for 15 days. Okay, stir it well 2 times a day for these 15 days. Kept it 15 days as it is in the same glass jar. After that, you should filter it with the help of the strain it by the linen cloth, then filter it and shift it to the next clean glass file, and the mother tincture is prepared. It is very easy. ड्राई सब्सटेंस होगा तो उसकी पाउडर बनानी है, अगर फ्रेश सब्सटेंस होगा तो उसका पल्प बनाना है, उसको वेट करना है, जितना उसका वेट है उसके 5 टाइम्स मोर आपको जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल लेना है, उसको ऐड करना है ग्लास जार में। ग्लास जार को 15 दिन तक वैसे ही रखना है। 15 दिन के बाद जो टिंचर उसमें प्रिपेयर है उसको अच्छे से स्ट्रेन करना है, अच्छे से फिल्टर करना है और दूसरे जो ग्लास टॉपर बॉटल है उसमें ऐड करना है। और आपका मदर टिंचर जो है वो यहाँ पर प्रिपेयर हो जाता है। अबाउट द ड्रग पावर ऑफ क्लास 4 इज 1/10. So while preparing the centesimal scale, the 10 minim of mother tincture and 90 minim of alcohol should be taken, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength gives the first centesimal potency. Then to prepare 2C potency, 1 minim of the first centesimal potency and 99 minim of alcohol should be taken, and 10 downward stroke of equal strength gives you the 2C potency. Okay, then about decimal scale. While preparing the decimal scale, as the drug power is 1/10, it is corresponding to the 1x potency. So the 1/10 means the mother tincture is equal to the 1x potency. So we are directly going to prepare the 2x potency. A 1 minim of mother tincture and 9 minim of alcohol should be taken. Then 10 downward stroke of equal strength gives you the 2x potency. All succeeding potency are prepared by taking 1 minim of corresponding potency and 9 minim of alcohol. Okay, are you getting me? It is very easy. 1/10 is the drug power, which is equal to the 1x potency. Okay, by preparing to prepare the 2x potency, you take as 1/9 ratio. This is all about the mother tincture. Okay, I explain you about class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. Okay, class 1 to class 4 are included in the process of preparation by mother tincture. Okay, the remaining part will continue in the next lecture. I hope you can understand the lecture. Thank you very much.